Get your home sparkling for the festive season with these Christmas cleaning hacks from Quidos Cleaning Services. Discover our holiday magic in today's Tuesday tips. Dusty Christmas decorations. Before decking the halls, give your decorations a quick clean. For delicate items, use a hairdryer on a cool setting to blow away the dust. For sturdier decorations, a damp cloth will do the trick. They'll look as good as new. Expecting a busy kitchen this Christmas? Prepare your oven for the festive cooking marathon. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste, spread it inside the oven, and leave it overnight. The next day, wipe it clean for a grease-free, ready-to-roast oven. Struggling with fallen pine needles? Keep your floors pine-free with this simple trick. Use a lint roller over the areas where needles tend to drop, especially around your Christmas tree. It's quick, easy, and saves you from constant vacuuming. Hosting guests this holiday season? Freshen up the guest rooms without much fuss. Sprinkle a bit of baking soda on mattresses and carpets. Let it sit for an hour, then vacuum it up. It removes odours and leaves the room smelling fresh and welcoming. With these festive cleaning tips, your home will be holiday ready in no time. For more seasonal and everyday cleaning hacks, remember to like, subscribe, and share your Christmas prep stories in the comments. Stay tuned for more holiday cheer and tips from Quidos Cleaning Services. Happy holidays!